Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into HTC Desire 628. First of all, open your settings and find security option on the bottom. This one. Then here we got set up SIM card lock. For example, if you have two SIM cards, you need to choose, for example, one or second for remove SIM pin. I've got only one SIM card, so go into the SIM card and click here to unlocking SIM card. Click. For unlocking, need enter your PIN and click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.